everybody. Today discuss about the chapter binomial theorem. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2A part 14. 2 marks question. Today discuss 2 marks question. Important questions, unexpected questions. Find the number of terms with non-zero coefficients in the expansion 4x minus 7 by whole power 49 plus 4x plus 7 by whole power 49. Here given expansion is, this one is the expansion. In this expansion, number of non-zero coefficients you can find. Write the formula. Find the number of terms with non-zero coefficients in the form of x plus a whole power n minus plus x minus a whole power n is x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n or x minus a whole power n plus x plus a whole power n is two cases. First case, if n is given n plus 2 by 2 terms. Second case, if n is odd, n plus 1 by 2 terms, n plus 1 by 2 terms. Right. First of all, in this expansion, comparing with, in this case, this expansion comparing with this one, you get x value is 4x, a value is 7y, n value is 49. Here 49 is a odd number. 49 is which number? Odd number. In this odd number, what is the number of terms? Number of terms will equal to what? Number of terms is equal to n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to n value 49 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 50 by 2. That is equal to 25. Therefore, number of non-zero terms of the given expansion is 25 terms. This one is a formula having 1 mark. Problem solving 1 mark, total 2 marks question. Very important, unexpected question. Problem is find the sum of last 20 coefficients. Sum of last 20 coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 39. 1 plus x whole power 39. 1 plus x whole power 39. This one is the expansion. In this expansion, you can expand it by using standard binomial expansion. 39c0 plus 39c1 into x plus 39c2 into x square plus 39c3 into x cube and so on. 39c39 x power 39. In this expansion, how many number of terms in this expansion? Total 40 terms is there. In this 40 terms, last 20 terms coefficient is what? So first of all, this expansion separated first 20 terms, last 20 terms. This can you can ask 1 plus x whole power 39 is equal to 39c0, 39c1x, 39c2x square and so on. 39c19 x power 19. Correct or not? First term c0, c1 second term, third term 3. 39c19 is which term? 20th term. This one is the 20th term. First 20 completed plus 39c20 x power 20. 39c21 x power 21 plus and so on. Last term 39c39 x power 39. These are last 20 terms. These are 39c not to 39c 19x power 19. This is the first 20 terms. 39c 20x power 22, 39c 39x power 39 is the last 20 terms. You can write in this equation. Suppose this is equation 1. In equation 1, substituted x is equal to 1. You get 1 implies 1 plus 1 whole power 39 is equal to 39c naught plus 39c1 into x value 1. You can write 1. 39c2 into 1 square value also be 1 plus on so on 39c90 into 1 power 19. 1 power something always 1 plus 39c20 into 1 power something 1. 39c21 into 1 power something also be 1 plus on so on 39c13 into 1 power 39 value also be 1. This is the first 20 terms. These are the last 20 terms. These are some of the first 20 terms coefficients. These are some of the last 20 terms coefficients. After that, we can use NCR is equal to NCN minus R formula. In this formula, 39C naught value equal to 39C39. 39C1 is equal to 39C38. 39C2 is equal to 39C37. And so on. 39C90 is equal to 39C20. Okay, these are write down in this problem. In this problem, 39C naught value 39C39, 39C1 value 39C38. Thus, already explanation of the binomial expansion. First left hand first term is equal to right hand first term. That's why you can write 1 plus 1 2 power 39 is equal to, this can be written as 39c39, this can be written as 39c38, this can be written as 39c37 plus on so on, this can be written as 39c20 plus, this can be written as 39c20 plus 39c21 plus on so on 39c39. Here 39c39 is there, here 39c39 is there, 2 into 39c39, 2 into 39c38, 2 into 39c37, all terms are 2, 2 is there, plus on so on, 2 into 39c20. Here 39c20 2 terms is there, 39c20 before term is 39c21. You can write all 2 terms. You can write 2 into 39c39 plus 2 into 39c38 plus 2 into 39c37 plus on so on 2 into 39c20. Is 2 power 39 is equal to, this all terms 2 is common, 39c39 plus 39c38 plus 39c37 plus on so on 39c20. Here we can write this one is this x function is right hand to left hand is there. In this x function I will write left hand to right hand. Here first term of the right hand 39. Here E2 is by 2 is equal to 39 C20 plus 39 C21 plus 39 C22 plus on so on 39 C39. Here this is what? This is the sum of last 20 coefficients. This is the sum of last 20 coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 39 is equal to 2 power 39 into 2 power power minus 1. You get 2 power 38. Therefore, sum of last 20 coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 39 is 2 power 38. Here using NCR is equal to NCN minus 1. This one is a very important formula by using in this question. Next 2 marks problem is, if A and B are coefficient of x power n, coefficient of x power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n and 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. Here 1 plus x whole power 2n coefficient of x power n is A. 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1 coefficient of x power n is B. You can find A and B. After that you do that A by B. First you can write 1 plus x whole power n. 1 plus x whole power n simplest form. Summation of r equal to 0 to n NCR x power r. This is the formula. In this formula, first you can take first x function 1 plus x whole power 2n. 1 plus x whole power 2n nothing but in this x function, in place of 1 is there. In place of x is there. In place of n, 2n is there. You can write summation of r equal to 0 to, in place of n you can write 2n NCR, nothing but 2NCR x power r. This is a simplest form of 1 plus x whole power 2n. In this expansion, coefficient of x power n is equal to a. Correct or not? Coefficient of x power n is equal to a. That is equal to, what is the coefficient of x power n in this expansion? You can write in place of 1 coefficient of x, in place of 2 coefficient of x square, in place of 3 coefficient of x cube, in place of r coefficient of x power r, in place of n, in place of r you can write n coefficient of x power n. You can write in place of r n 2NCN. You can write in place of r n 2NCN x power n, that is the coefficient of x power n. This is the value of a. After that, take your next expansion 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. This simplest form is summation of r equal to 0 to, in place of n is 2n minus 1. NCR nothing but 2n minus cr x power r. This is the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. In this expansion, coefficient of x power n is b. Coefficient of x power n is b. Same way is that these two expansions are similar, but power is changed. Here power is 2n, here power is 2n minus. Simply you can write in place of n, in place of n you can write 2n, in place of 2n you can write 2n minus 1. That is 2n minus 1 cn is the coefficient of x power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. Here coefficient of x power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n is 2n cn. After that you can do that a by b. What is the value of a? 2n cn. What is the value of b? 2n minus 1 cn. You can write NCR formula. What is the formula of NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. In place of n here 2n, nothing but 2n factorial by 2n minus r nothing but n. 2n minus n, 2n minus n, you can write 2n minus n factorial into n factorial all by, here NCR in place of n 2n minus 1 factorial all by, in place of 2n minus 1 minus n factorial into n factorial. After that you can write 2n factorial by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial into this denominator goes to numerator reciprocal. 2n minus n, how much? 2n minus n minus 1 factorial into n factorial by 2n minus 1 factorial. Once again explain. 2n factorial, 2n minus 1, 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. This denominator goes to numerator reciprocal. numerator denominator interchanged. Here 2n minus n already minus 1 is there, n minus 1 factorial into n factorial all by 2n minus 1 factorial. Here 2n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial. 2n factor nothing but n factor nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. Like this, you can write 2n factorial nothing but 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. Here n factor get cancelled. All by here n factor can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Here 2n minus 5 factorial similar. 2n minus factorial, 2n minus 1 factorial cancel. N minus 1 factor, n minus 1 factor cancel. You get a by b is equal to, you get 2n by n. 2n by n, n get cancelled, you get a by b value is 2. Here this one is a 2 marks question, very important question, unexpected question. In this question, first you can find 1 plus x all power 2n x function, coefficient of x power n. 1 plus x all power 2n x function, coefficient of x power n. Here this is the a, this one is b. After that we get the a by b by using NCR formula, n factorial by n minus r factor into r factor. Do that like this. Okay, thank you.